Namaste ji. Welcome back to the another session of Yoga and Nature Season 2. The beautiful house behind me, do you remember it? You might have seen it before because Mr. Niran, you know Niran, right? He has shot a session here. You must have enjoyed it. And here we are with another session of yoga in the same place. The weather is absolutely amazing, beautiful today, and I will be sharing on like how we are traveling to this place, and I am still keeping up with my yoga practice. How you can also maintain that, we will talk about that. But for now, we just settle down, sit comfortably. Palms on the knees in Chinna Mudra. We know Chinna Mudra, right? Spine long, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed, a gentle smile on the face. Taking a moment here to breathe in, to breathe out, to breathe in, to breathe out. Preparing ourselves for today's practice. Preparing physically, preparing mentally. We're joining the hands to the chest then. And as usual, we start with 3 Omkaras. Breathing in deep. Breathing in. Last. Rub the palms, generate some heat. Covering the eyes, cover the face, open the eyes, look into the palms. Relax. Okay. All right. We'll start with a quick warm-up. I will demonstrate the warm-up, then we can practice together. Today's focus is on the forward fold, so you take it absolutely easy if you have lower back issues. All right, we give our best throughout the practice, and towards the end, if you give your best throughout the practice, the challenge for today's class would be easier for you. Okay, so we open the legs. You can open the legs. We'll do that together. Now what we're doing here is opening the legs. After opening the legs, Upavishta toe touches what we are doing. So what we're doing is just twist, touch the toe. Just twist, touch the toe. Twist, touch the toe. Twist, touch the toe. So 5 on the right side we do, 5 on the left side we do. Okay, open legs as much as the body allows. Since this is the first warm-up, you don't have to give your 100%, right? Just do as much as the body allows. Hands up. Okay, go ahead. 1, left and right. 2, exhale, exhale. 3, exhale, exhale. 4, exhale, exhale. 5, exhale, exhale. Release now. Now the next movement or the warm up that we have, we go back to halasana and then coming to this position upavishta. But how we're moving from there is you quickly just see once. So dynamic halasana and upavishta on the mat, you just be there, see once. Inhale and taking legs back all the way. Exhale, open legs, fold forward. So 5 times we do that. Inhale going back, halasana. Exhale coming front, opening legs, extending hands front. Let's do it now 5 times again. Feet together, come to seated danda. Inhale, take legs back. Exhale, forward, open legs. 2, exhale, forward. 3, exhale, forward. 4, inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Last one, 5, back. And exhale, forward. Good job, releasing there. Okay, next what we're doing is Adho Mukha to Pada Hasta walk we do. Alright, I'll quickly demonstrate, then you can see once. So from Adho Mukha, here, hips higher, what we're doing, walk, 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 walk. Full Pada Hasta fold forward. Again, directly one step, go back to Pada Adho Mukha. Again, walk, walk. So 5 times walk we do from Adho Mukha to Pada Hasta. Alright, so join me in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Alright, quickly coming up, drop palms down, lift hips higher, walk from Pada Hasta, from Adho Mukha to Pada Hasta. Quickly up here. Alright, start walking. 1, walk, 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 walk. Once you're fully front, press palms onto the floor and then step back to Adho Mukha. 2, now again walk, 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 walk. Press palms, again go back to Adho Mukha. 3, walk, 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 walk. Come to front, press palms onto the mat, go back to Adho Mukha. Just 2 more. Walk, 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 walk. Press palms, go back to Adho Mukha. One last, just step forward and hold here in Pada Hasta. Press palms, fingertips, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees softly. Coming back up now. Shake legs, shake hands if it's needed. Relax the muscles, the joints, and we'll move to the next practice. Guess what we're doing today? Shivananda Surya Namaskara, right? To a quick warm up, to a quick Shivananda Surya Namaskara practice. Feet together, coming to front. Those who are doing for the first time your practice, you can just watch the first round. Second round onwards you can continue. Rest of us join here from the first round itself. Exhale, Namaskara, palms, hands to chest. Inhale, arch back, Hast Uttana. Exhale, fold forward, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, right back, knee down, foot flat, push hip reason down, Ashwasanchalana. Hold the breath, take left leg also back, Dandasana. Exhale, drop knees, chest, chin down on the mat. Inhale, slide forward, chest up, feet together and flat. Exhale, hips higher. Try and press heels down every time you come to Parvata. Inhale, right to the front, Ashwasanchalana. Left knee down, foot flat. Exhale, left leg also front. Inhale, hands up, arch back. Exhale, namaskara. Second half, inhale, hasta uttana. Exhale, pada hastasana. Inhale, left back ashwasanchalana. Hold the breath, right back. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, chest up, elbows bent. Exhale, hips higher, Parvata, heels down like I mentioned earlier. Inhale, left front, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, right front, Padahasta. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. Release the hands, done with one round. 4 more to go. Let's continue. I'm just loving the sound of the birds chirping. It's amazing. Let's continue the practice. Exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right back. Hold the breath. Left back. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, hips higher, heels down, Parvata. Inhale, same, right leg to the front. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale, Hasta Uttana. Exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left back. Dandasana, right back. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga, chest up. Exhale, hips higher. Inhale, left front, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, right front, Padahasta. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, prayer pose. Release the hands. Continuing 3 more rounds. Exhale, prayer pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Just 2 more rounds. Let's continue. Let's finish. Exhale, prayer pose. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, Ashwa. Dandasana. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Second half. Inhale. Exhale. Press palms. Inhale. Left back. Dandasana. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. One last round, and in some of the poses we can hold, preparing for the forward fold abhyasa today. Exhale, namaskara. Join the hands. Inhale, arch back. Exhale. Now stay here. Take hands more back, fingertips pointing back. Press fingertips or palms, walk fingertips or hands more back, more back, more back. Folding forward fully, staying there. 1, 2, walk fingertips more back. 3, push knees back, hold. 4, 5. Okay, hands in front. Inhale, right leg back, and what we do here, push hip a little back, half a Hanumana, lift the front toe, hold here. 1, straightening just the front leg, pushing hip a little back. 2, continue keeping hands there only. 3, 4, 5. Bend the front knee through Ashwasanchalana. Come to Dandasana, high plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down on the mat, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, slide forward, Bhujanga, chest up. Exhale, hips higher. Hold here in Parvata, and I want you to lift right leg, push up. Stay here. 1, push up, head in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, right leg front, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, left leg front, Padahasta. Inhale, up and arch back. Exhale, Pranayamasana. Second half, let's finish. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, again take hands back, walk, 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 walk. Fold forward fully, breathe in, breathe out, giving our best. 1, 2, you can walk the hands a little back, we're yet to give our best. 3, good, 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 good. 4, 5. Okay, hands in front next to the toes, left leg back, knee down, slowly push hip back, lift that front toe up, stretch, nice, good ham stretch, back of the knees, the calves. 1, breathe. 2, breathe. 3, stay. 4, 5. Beautiful. Through Ashwasanchalana, Dandasana, high plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down. Inhale to Bhujanga. Exhale, hips higher, Parvata. Push head in, push chest in, lift left leg up high. Inhale. 1, breathe. 2, breathe. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, bring left leg directly front, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale to Padahasta. Inhale to Hasta Uttana, arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. release the hands. So that was our Shivananda Surya Namaskara practice, right? Open the feet a bit, open hands to sides, eyes closed. Take a moment here, observing the physical changes, observing the mental changes, the emotional changes, relaxing there, breathing in, breathing out. You can keep the eyes open, you can keep the eyes closed. How do you maintain your yoga practice when you travel a lot, right? There are people who travel a lot. Their work take them like 20-25 days a month just outside, just traveling. How you can maintain is, I think the very first thing you can start with is just finish your practice in the morning, so that you don't have to worry about the practice throughout the day, right? Take out maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour if possible, or 1 hour. I mean, that's completely on you. Finish the practice as early as possible, right? Don't keep it for the evening. Practice in the morning and you're done, right? That's, I think, one point that I could have shared here. I try and do that, but since I'm a yoga teacher, I have my classes also in the morning. So yeah, but at least you can do that, right? The second thing I think that you can do is, if you don't get like 1 hour, you can just keep it 10 minutes short practice. Start with that, continue with that, and then gradually you increase the time. That's there. All we need is a discipline, right? And you can do that in the morning only if you're not partying hard in the evening, right? So we'll continue with our practice. Like I mentioned, we are focusing on the forward fold today. So the first asana that we do is Padangushtasana, right? So Padangushta is nothing but just opening the feet hip wide. Do you see? Just opening the feet hip wide apart. Now, after opening the feet hip width apart, I will just keep the knees soft. I will simply fold forward. I will catch hold of the big toes and then lift head up, inhale, and then pushing knees back, opening elbows to the sides, but I will maintain my belly on my thighs if you really want that hamstrings to get opened, to get stretched, right? So Padangushta, holding the big toes with 3 fingers. Hold nicely, open elbows to the sides. Do not pull the toes, just hold and use instead the lumbar to stretch more. Okay, let's do it. Open the feet about hip width apart, and what do? Bend the knees softly. Inhale there. Exhale, fold forward. Catch hold of the big toes. And again, I want you to lengthen spine. Look to the front. What do you see? That's me. Yes, on the screen. Huh? Lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. And then push the knees back. Open elbows to the sides. Head pushing down. Belly touching the thighs. Stay there and breathe. 1 good, nice hamstring stretch. 2, working on that forward fold. 3, like I said, you don't have to pull the toes. Instead, you send the upper body fully down. 3, use lumbar. 4, long breathing, long breathing, long breathing. 5, 6, good. 7, good. 8, very good. 9, there we go. 10, good job. Inhale and slowly coming back up. Keep palms on the back. A gentle arch back there. Push back, push back, push back. Hold there. 1, 2, and 3. Release. Just as a counter pose we took. Then we'll settle down. Okay. Extend legs out. You can just be here in this position, hands behind, shake legs, shake toes, relax there. I'm going to quickly demonstrate for the next asana, and you see. So the next one of my favorites, you can say, because this has a bind, Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. Very long name, but very easy to understand. What we're doing is Ardha, you understand, half, Baddha is bind. So Ardha Baddha Padma, Padmasana, how we do, one leg on the other, right? So Ardha Baddha, half. So I'm keeping only right foot on the left leg. Now I'm bending the right knee, I'm keeping right foot on left thigh. I will take my right hand back, open it back fully, turn that hand, try and catch hold of this right toes with right hand only. Did you see what happened? Right foot on the left thigh, same hand goes back to hold the toe, then the toe that is in front, left toe with left hand we hold. Inhale to lengthen the spine, exhale and go down as much as the body allows. You don't have to forcefully do it, but do as much as the body allows, right? In case if you're not able to hold the toe, if you have the strap or the belt handy, you can use the belt, wrap it, hold the belt. If you can't, if you don't have that also, just keep palm behind, try and hold the front toe. Inhale to lengthen, exhale, fold forward. 10 breaths we hold one side, 10 breaths we hold the other side then. Okay, so settle down. We're in Dandasana, seated Dandasana, spine lengthened, always, 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 right? Bring that right foot on top of the left thigh, full on the left thigh, like how we do Padmasana, right? Then take right hand back, 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 back. Turn that right hand to hold this toe. See if you can catch hold of the toe. See if you can catch hold of the toe. Now, the toes in front, left. Hold this left toes. Inhale, lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Absolutely okay if you can't hold. Exhale, fold forward as much as the body allow. If you can't hold, keep palm on the mat. Breathing in, breathing out. This is what we can actually focus on, the breathing. 1, inhale and exhale. 2, inhale and exhale. 3, nice hamstring stretch and opening of the shoulder. 4, continue to hold. 5, go more down with every exhalation. 6, go more down with every exhalation. 7, good. 8, full down now for 2 counts. 9, 10, inhale, exhale, release. Extend right leg out. Should be thankful that this is not the offline class, otherwise I would have come and press you from the back, right? So you help yourself, you give your best as much as the body allows. Obviously we should know the limit as well. Fold the left leg, take left hand up and back, turn this left hand, see if you can hold the big toe. I am not doing it from here, taking it easy on the ankle as I had injured it long back. So not forcing here. Like I said, we know our limit, right? Taking right hand front, hold that right big toe, inhale to lengthen, exhale, fold forward and stay. Breathing in, breathing out. 1, long and deep breathing. 2, always help. 3, 4, stay. 5, stay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Slowly, easily coming back up. Releasing this. You can again just be here. Shake legs. Shake toes, relaxing there. The next one is very interesting. Triyangamukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Okay, so if not the entire portion of this name, the last one, Paschimottanasana, you heard, and Paschimottanasana, we know what it is, right? But Triyangamukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana, can you say it in just one go? Try. Triyangamukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Are you able to? Which means you are practicing regularly, right? So what we do, we fold one knee back. So from here, like how we sit in Vajrasana, I am folding this leg back, keeping this foot flat. The nice stretch over this, the ankle joint. Now what happens when we bend this one knee, the other leg that we keep straighten, the body falls to that side. Option 1, what you need to do, actively shift the body weight towards the side, the knee that you are bending. Option 2, when I'm quickly demonstrating on the other side. Now see, I'm bending my right knee, the body weight is on my left side. If you have the block handy, you can keep block under this hip, the leg that you are keeping straighten, under that hip. So what happens is, then you are equally distributing the weight, right? Or else if you don't have the block, you can actively shift the weight towards this side, the knee that you're bending. 10 breaths we hold one side, 10 breaths we hold on the other side then. Yeah? Fold the right knee. Let's start with right. Fold it back, toe pointing back. Okay. Shift the weight equally or more towards the right side this time. Option 1, if you can hold the toe, well and good. If you can't hold, keep fingertips here. I'll try and hold. I'll also take it slow. Now inhale, head up, chest up, lengthen. Exhale, slowly walk forward, slowly walk forward, slowly walk forward, slowly walk forward. If the toes is in the range and if you can hold, go ahead and hold. Stay there. If not, just keep palms down, try and go down. 1, breathing in and out. 2, breathing in and out, careful with that right ankle. 3, 4, stay. 5, stretch more, hands more forward, fold more forward. 6, hold. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly walking the hands back. Release this right leg. Extend right leg front. Shake if it's needed. Switch the side now. Fold left leg back. Fingertips, hands in front. Inhale to lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Exhale, fold, 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 fold. Hold the toe if possible. If you don't want to, it's okay. Keep palms down. Continue to hold. 1, breathe in and out. 2, in and out. 3, careful with this ankle, 4, continue to hold. 5, this is the time when we push a little more down with every count, with every exhalation. 6, little more down. 7, little more down. 8, a little more down. Last 2 counts, fold fully as much as possible. 9, 10. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Walk hands back. Slowly then we release this. Nice and easy. Shake legs. Nice and easy. Shake toes. Good job. Okay. Now, remember in the warm-up we did opening the legs, right? What was that asana called? Tell me. Upavishta Konasana, right? Again working on the forward fold. Again working on the opening the hamstring. Open right leg to right side. Open left leg to left side. Okay, all right. Let's see if the hips are open. Let's see if the hamstrings are opened. We'll try and do as much as possible. Just to get a bit warmed up, we'll move upper body to right side, we'll move upper body to left side, 5 breaths each. Then we go for the asana, upavishta, which is then extending hands forward, 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 forward. Flex the toes, push from the lower back. I don't want you to round the back. I will demonstrate it from the other side as well. I don't want you to round the back. Instead, do not go full down, it's okay, but lengthen spine. Try and create arch on the back. Yeah, so what I'm saying is, if you see from this side, I am not rounding the back here. I am lengthening the spine, arching back. With flat or arched back, I will walk my hands as much as possible. That's it, right? Before that, we will move hands to right side, hold the right toes. We will move hands to left side, hold the left toes. Okay? Lift hands up, inhale, 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 inhale. Move upper body to right side. Exhale, just to get warmed up for Upavishta. Hold this toe, fold forward fully. 1, breathe in, breathe out. 2, breathe in, breathe out. Actively shift the weight little forward towards the right hand. 3, long breathing. 4, 5. Good. Slowly lift hands again up. Inhale. Switch the side. Exhale. Fold, 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 fold. Stay and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, palms down. See if you can with hands open more. Push calves out, open more. Now I want you to keep palms in front. Inhale, arch on the back. Remember how you do bhujanga. We arch, we lift chest up. Same way. Maintain this. Exhale, slowly, easily. Walk fingers forward, walk hands forward. Flex toes, toes not loose, toes active, pulled in. As much as you can walk. Breathe in, breathe out, stay there. 1, nice hamstring stretch. 2, nice forward fold. Hold, 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 hold. 3, with every exhalation, see if you can go a little more down, but not rounding the back much. 4, almost there. Lengthen spine, lift chest, lift chest. 5, lift chest. 6, good. 7, 8, nice, nice. 9, 10. Slowly, easily walk hands nicely back. Take a moment here, don't release. Breathe in, breathe out. Maybe you want to just give a nice gentle massage from the calves to the hams to the thighs. Good. And then very slowly you can bring legs together. Slowly, easily. So we have a saying, I mean not saying, but when we used to practice in our college days in the university, if after releasing this pose, if you are releasing just like that, in just one go. So our Guruji used to say, you haven't given your best, right? And if you are struggling to bring the legs back, which means you have given your best. Now you see if you have given your best or not. Okay, now next we have, just see once, Supta Konasana. How we do that is, we lie down on our back, we take legs back like how we did in Halasana for the warm-up, you remember? But opening the legs behind. I will demonstrate once how. Holding the toes there if possible. And after this Supta Konasana, we'll try and come back from there and hold again 5 breaths in Upavishta. I will demonstrate how. This is very interesting. This we do generally in Ashtanga, but we'll try and do it here as well. Just see once how. So I'll quickly tuck the t-shirt in first. What we are doing, we will lie down back and we will hold in Supta Konasana, which is nothing but just taking legs back and holding the big toes. You see once, taking legs back, open feet, separate the feet, hold toes there, lift hips higher, hold 10 breaths. We hold here, slowly, easily coming back up, roll back, drop heels, again fold forward. This time you hold the toes just for 5 breaths, again in Upavishta. What did we do? We took legs back, we were holding the big toes, we were lifting hips up, right? So that spine is not much rounded. 10 breaths in Supta Kona, legs behind. 5 breaths, roll back up, open legs. Continue holding the toes, right? Drop there. Upavishta again, 5 breaths, just 5 breaths. That's it. Let's do it now. Lie down on the back, and then we take legs back, hold the big toes, and stay there. Careful if you have neck issues. Avoid if you are on your monthly cycles for the women. Okay, 1. Rest of us hold. 2. Breathe. 3. Hips higher. Knees pushing away from the head. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good job. See if you can roll up, drop it down, straighten the legs out, again for Upavishta. Hold there. 1, as much as the body allows. 2, good, 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 good. 3, more down, good. 4, more down. Exhale, 5, fully down, and release. Good job. Nicely done. Shake legs, shake legs, shake legs, releasing there. Good job. Nicely done. Next we do quick Matsyasana. Right? We know Matsyasana. We'll try and hold there for 10 breaths. Then we have Supta Baddha Konasana. Both of these postures I will quickly demonstrate. Then we can practice together. Both are done once you lie down on the mat on the back. Extend legs out, keeping palms under the hips. Inhale to lift head up, to lift chest up, lift chest more higher, roll head back, hold here for 10 breaths, then again lift head up, release shoulders down first, then release the head. Safest way to release Matsyasana. Supta Baddha Konasana, joining the soles of the feet together there, like how we do butterfly, right? So joining the soles of the feet, relaxing here. Palms on the thighs you can keep. Staying there for good 10 breaths. Then just hugging the knees to chest. Taking a moment here to relax. Then we'll move to breathing exercise. Okay? Lie down on the mat. For Matsyasana, careful if you have neck issues. Okay. Head up, chest up. Roll head back. Lift chest more higher. Hold here now. 1, breathe. 2, 3, 4. Stretch toes. Lift head. Roll more back. Chest more up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift head up, look towards the toes, Release the shoulders, release the head, release the arms, take arms out, palms out. Now join the soles of the feet together, butterfly position. Supta Baddha Konasana. Just to relax here. Breathing in, breathing out. 1. You can keep the eyes closed. We are relaxing here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Slowly, with the support of the hands, join the knees together. Good. Hugging the knees to chest, just to relax here. You can slowly move left, right. Very gentle movement of the knees to left, right. Cross the ankles, roll up, sit back up comfortably now. Beautiful. That was our today's asana practice, huh? Moving to the next, the breathing. How important the breathing it is, huh? How important the prana is. Now understand, imagine, so the asanas that we entirely focus on the sweat and the asanas, the advanced asanas, twisting and turning just for the outer body. Imagine if the breath is not there. Imagine if this breathing, if you are not breathing, right? Even if you have big muscles, even if you have 6, 8 abs, you're not breathing, right? So let's focus on that now. Today, what we are doing is, first we'll do abdominal breathing. What is abdominal breathing? Just to check that, you can keep your one palm on the abdominal, the other palm just resting on the knee. What you do is you inhale through the nostrils, through the chest, bloating the belly, right? Let it expand fully, and exhale through the nostrils only. Let the belly go in. 5 times only we do. Okay? Left palm on the knee, right palm on the belly. Neutral. Inhale through nostrils. Let the belly bloat. Exhale out long. If you understood, eyes closed. 2. Exhale out long. Expansion and contraction. 3. 4. 5. Release. You can open the eyes, and next we're doing Brahmari. Brahmari we have been doing, right? We know what Brahmari is. Ears closed, humming bee sound 5 times. Once you're done, do not open the eyes. Without opening the eyes also, you can lie down. The mat is there. You're not going to fall. You're not going to go anywhere. Just on the mat. So 5 times Brahmari. Surrender yourself in Savasana. Go ahead. On your own, 5 times. Again. Once you're done, slowly then you turn around, lie down on the mat comfortably. Adjust. The Shavasana should be absolutely comfortable. Absolutely comfortable. Keep your eyes closed, surrendering ourselves fully. No more efforts now. We did what we could. We did our best. Our best is all we need. Relax now. You were great. You were amazing. But now is the time to just surrender. Now is the time to just relax. Letting go of any kind of tiredness. Let go of those thoughts, emotions, feelings. It's just you on the mat, this physical body and this prana, this breath. That's it, nothing else. Complete rest. Complete rest. Slowly, easily, externalizing, becoming aware of the surroundings, environment, sounds, voices, or people around us. Becoming aware of our physical state, how we are at this moment. And very slowly we move fingers, toes, head side to side, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Join the legs, stretch toes, stretch arms over the head. Nice long stretch. Turn to the side and sit up, sit back comfortably. Continue to keep the eyes closed. Joining the hands to chest. Okay, completing with one Omkara, 3 Shantis. Breathing in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Drop the palms, generate the heat. Cover the eyes, cover the face, open the eyes, look into the palms, relax. Okay, all right. So this was our today's practice, huh? I hope you enjoyed it. Time for the challenge now. This is a little more challenging than what we had in the previous session. I will try and demonstrate. What's the point of the challenge if you can do it easily, is what I thought, and now I think I can't also do it, but if you get a sense of it, you'll just see, right? Otherwise, if I can't do it, you'll be like, खुद तो कर नहीं पा रहा है और challenge दे रहा है हमें. But like I said, what's the point of the challenge if you can do it easily, right? So what we do is, what we did today, forward fold, we'll do the similar but more of a strength and forward fold both. So from this we extend leg out, we know pistol squat, we catch hold of this, we try and lift this up, we try and touch the chin there. Now from here I need to extend this leg, try and come up to standing position. Continue to keep this foot off, try and touch chin again, bring it back, and this. All we need is a great strength over the left leg, right? Make a video of it if you can do it. If you can't do it, maybe you still would make a video of it, right? And then we upload it to Facebook. Our community is there on the Facebook called Stronger Together with Cult Fit, right? Upload it there. This is me, Anil Khala, signing off from this beautiful place. I will go and have my breakfast now. Thank you so much. You go ahead. Have a great day ahead. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you so very much. Namaste ji.
For more workout videos, download the Cultfit app now. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are Cults.